Hi students, today in number system there is another topic called HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor, LCM means least common multiple. Highest common factor, least common multiple. Okay, before knowing about those, first let us learn about factor. What is a factor? When two or more natural numbers are multiplied together, the result is called product, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor of this product. For example, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. All these are prime numbers, right? 2, 3, 7. What is meant by prime number? A number is said to be prime if it has 1 and itself as factors. Suppose 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. There is no other number will go in 2. 3. 3 and 1. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 7. 7 1s are 7, 1 7s are 7. So, such type of numbers are called prime numbers. 2, 3, 7. 2 into 3 into 7 is 42, and 42 is the product, and each of these numbers 2, 3 and 7 are called factors of 42. Similarly, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 2, 3, 5 are factors of this product, that is 30. Understood? So if you multiply one or more numbers, then the result is called product, and each of the numbers is called factor of that product. Clear? When two or more natural numbers are multiplied together, the result is called product, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor of this product. 2 into 3 into 7, we got 42. So 42 is the product, and 2, 3, 7 are factors of 42. Similarly, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 2, 3 and 5 are called factors of 30. Simply to say, any natural number that divides a given natural number completely, exactly, is called a factor of the given number. For example, 5 divides 30 completely. So 5 is a factor of 30. One factor, one of the factors. 30 has got another factors also. One of these factors is 5. So another number also will go in 30. Suppose 6 5s are 30. So 6 is also a factor of 30. 1 is also a factor of 30. 2 15s. 2 is also a factor of 30. 3 10s are 30. So 3 is also called a factor of 30. Okay. Similarly 15, 30, these are all factors of 30. Okay, I will tell you how to find factors. 6 divides 18. So 6 is one of the factors of 18. 7 divides 28. 28. 7 is also a factor of, one factor of 28. For example, here you see I am taking 24. So factor of 24. So I will write like this, F24. F24 means what? Factor of 24. Factors of 24. So what are the tables we take in 24? For example, one table will go, because 24s are 24. 2 will it go? 2 12s are, right? So 2 table also will go. So tables you should be perfect. 3 table, 3 8s are 24. So 3 also will go. 4 6 are 24. Okay. 5, no, 5 will not go. 6 4s are 24. Right? 7, no. 8 3s are 24. Right? Next, 9, 10, 11, 12 2s are 24. Right? Last number is 24. 24 ones are 24. Clear? So, these are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the factors of 24 or divisors of 24. Okay? For example, you take factors of 30. What are the tables cancelling 30? One table will go, right? 1 30s are 30. 2 also will go. 2 15s are 30. 3 also will go. 3 10s are 30. 4 cannot go. 5 6s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Right? 7 no. 8 no. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 2s are 30. Right? Next last comes 31s are 30. Right? So these are the factors of 30. Observe 18. Factors of 18. One table will go 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 no. 5 6 3s are 18. 7 8 9 2s are 18. Last 18 ones are 18. So these are the factors of 18. What are the factors of 45? One table will go. 1 45s are 45. 2 cannot go. 3 15s 45. 4 cannot go. 5 9s are 45. 6 7 8 9 5s are 45. Next comes 15 3s are 45. Last 45 ones are 45. Once look at factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 ones are 6. Right? Okay? 1 2 3 6. Take 28. Factors of 28. 1 28s are 28. 2 14s are 28. 3 4 7s are 28. 5 cannot go. 6 no. 7 4s are 28. Next 14 2s are 28. 28 ones are 28. So this is the method of finding factors of a given number. Okay. So observe this. Suppose when we find factors of 24, you got 1 and 24 as factors, right? 1 is everywhere. You look at here. So 1 is a factor of every number. Under note I have made that point. See here. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. So here also you have 1 and 30. 30. 18 means 1 18. 45 means 1 45. 6 means 1 6. 28 means 1 28. So 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. See 18 18, 45 45, 6 6, 28 28. So every number is a factor of itself. 0 cannot be a factor of any number. So you will never get 0 as factors, you see. Nowhere 0 is found here. So these are the very important points, and learn about factor. We shall continue the topic in the next class. Okay. Highest common factor and least common multiple. Okay. Learn about this. We will continue in the next class.